Emergent AI versus Cursor. Which one is better?
Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to compare Emergent AI versus Cursor and help you decide which AI coding tool is actually better for your workflow. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So beginning with Emergent AI. Emergent AI is not just a coding assistant, it's a full AI app builder. Instead of helping you write code line by line, it can actually build complete applications from simple text instructions. You describe your idea, and the platform generates the backend, front-end, and deployment automatically. It focuses heavily on what people call vibe coding, where even non-developers can create software using natural language. The system uses autonomous coding agents that plan, write, test, and ship apps with minimal human involvement. Because of this approach, Emergent is ideal for startups, creators, and beginners who want results fast without deep programming knowledge. It also includes workflow automation, collaboration tools, and built-in deployment features inside one platform. But since it relies heavily on AI automation, it can sometimes feel less stable and gives you less manual control compared to traditional development tools. Now, let's come towards Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor designed mainly for developers. Think of it as a smarter version of VS Code where AI helps you write, edit, and debug code directly inside your project. It understands your entire codebase, offers real-time autocomplete, and can run multiple AI agents to modify files or fix bugs automatically. Cursor also integrates with modern AI models and provides strong debugging assistance, making it popular among professional programmers. Unlike Emergent, Cursor keeps developers fully in control of the coding process. You still write and manage code yourself, but much faster with AI assistance. However, its credit-based pricing and usage limits can sometimes confuse users, especially heavy developers who consume many AI requests. Now let's quickly compare them. Emergent AI is best for building full apps automatically with little coding experience. Cursor is best for developers who want AI inside a traditional coding environment. Emergent focuses on automation and speed, while Cursor focuses on precision and developer productivity. So, choosing between Emergent AI and Cursor in 2026 depends on your specific needs. If your goal is building apps without coding, go with Emergent AI. If your goal is coding faster while staying in control, Cursor is the better option. That's all for the video.